Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where we're going to talk about how to use applied behavior analysis while going to the gym. Applied behavior analysis is a well-established and evidence-based approach used to understand and change behavior. We will discuss how we can use ABA principles to help us develop and maintain healthy habits while exercising. Step 1, define your goal. The first step in using ABA principles in the gym is to define your goal. This can be as simple as I want to go to the gym 3 times a week, or more specific like I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. The more specific your goal is, the easier it is to measure your process and track your success. Once you have defined your goal, the next step is to identify your reinforcers. According to Cooper et al. 2014, a reinforcer is a stimulus change that increases the future frequency of behavior that immediately precedes it. In the context of going to the gym, a reinforcer might be a feeling of accomplishment, an endorphin rush, or even a reward like grabbing your favorite meal on Friday or getting a new workout outfit. Step 3, create a plan. With your goal and reinforcers in mind, the next step is to create a plan. This plan should outline what you will do to achieve your goal and what reinforcers you will use to motivate yourself along the way. For example, if your goal is to go to the gym 3 times a week, your plan might include setting a specific time to go to the gym, or identifying a workout routine and rewarding yourself with a smoothie after each workout. For me, I like to print out the month and schedule the days I go to the gym. Step 4, use positive reinforcement. One of the key principles of ABA is to use positive reinforcement. According to Cooper et al. 2014, positive reinforcement occurs when a behavior is followed immediately by the presentation of a stimulus that increases the future frequency of a behavior in similar conditions. This means that when you go to the gym and achieve your goal, you should reward yourself with a positive reinforcer. For example, if you achieve your goal of going to the gym 3 times a week, you might reward yourself with a massage or sushi for lunch. Step 5, track your progress. This will help you to stay motivated and make adjustments to your plan as necessary. You can track your progress by keeping a workout journal, using a fitness app, or finding a workout buddy and checking in weekly on your goals and attendance. In conclusion, using ABA principles while going to the gym can be a highly effective way to achieve your fitness goal. By defining your goal, identifying your reinforcers, creating a plan, and using positive reinforcement and tracking your progress, you can develop and maintain a healthy habits that will benefit your physical and mental well-being. Remember, it is never too late to start working out towards a healthier you. And with ABA principles, you can make your journey to the gym a successful one. Thanks for watching.
Bye.